Hello everybody, here's today's technical tip on oscilloscopes. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to push our power button on the top of our oscilloscope and wait for it to beam on for about 1 minute. Now we would like to take a measurement. We're going to push the measure button and then we're going to change channel 1 by clicking this button, and we want to take a frequency measurement, so we're going to change type to frequency, and it's giving us our frequency value. As an example, if your graph is too wide, it will not be able to read the value because the oscilloscope only reads what it sees on the graph screen. So as soon as it gets one period within a screen, it can read the frequency. Now we want to measure the time shift of our functions. We're going to push the cursor, and then we're going to change type to time. And then we're going to set our first cursor to this peak, which it's already on, and then we're going to move our second one until it lines up with our peak on our lower frequency, right about there. And here it tells us our delta T. This concludes our technical tips for measurements lab with the oscilloscope, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.